Hello, P7 here. Today I have this beautiful padlock. This is a Spanish brand, this SAG, and it's a stainless steel padlock. Has this protection, and it's a tubular lock. This one has only 5 pins, and they are quite large for a tubular lock, and it's very beautiful, very nice looking, very solid and heavy. And this is the key that comes with it. You can see it's a padlock that uses ball bearings. Has a hardened shackle, so all around a very good padlock. For security, it's not super secure, but truth be said, this is not a standard size of tubular lock, so the common sizes that exist for tensioning tools will not do. I had to make a tensioning tool just for this one, and otherwise it's not very difficult to pick. It does require a little bit of patience, but that's basically it. So let's see if I can pick this one. So for tensioning I used one of these Z-bars, and I filed just a little bit there. So what I'm going to do is put tensioner like this. Okay, so that it does tension on the core but not on the exterior ring. Okay, and see if I can pick it like this. Okay, well, let's try it. We'll need a little bit of tension. Let's focus. I'm going to try picking hands. Okay. Okay, this one needs a second touch. This one too. Okay, so we got a rotation, and let's lock it here. It's not enough to open the padlock, so let's continue. Keep tensioning. Okay, not getting enough. Let me just adjust the tensioner. Okay, let's see if now I can get enough feedback. So one of the pins up here doesn't need to be pushed because it doesn't have any driver pin behind it, so just need to do the others. Okay, now we have some feedback. Does need quite a little bit of tension. Okay, and here we go. Very tapered. We got an open. Right. Okay, so we got this open. This will relock to the previous position. Now I have to relock it completely. Might try to do that also now. Let's see. back to locked position, and here we have it working perfectly again. Yeah, that's not too hard to pick, but still some work involved, some patience does require to make a tensioner. It does seem to have some tapering on the pins. One version that I saw online, Talent Peak disassemble, had also T-pins, so I wouldn't be completely surprised from what I've picked that some of these driver pins are actually T-pins. Yeah, so really nice, great lock for the collection, beautiful, shiny, and different. First time I actually picked a tubular lock, and it's not a normal one. Very cool. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.